thigh-high moon boots are happening, and I have no words, they're out of this world. First came thigh-high Ugg boots. Naturally, the internet flipped out. And then, on Thursday night, Jeremy Scott sent thigh-high moon boots down the runway at his fall/winter 18 runway show, and I know what I'm packing for my future vacation to space. Just when you thought the OTB shoe trend was slowing down, remember platform Crocs. The fashion scene surprises you with a new and weirdly amazing trend. The moon boots, which feature lace-up details, come in bright colors including neon greens, pinks, and oranges, and they look warm as hell. There are even faux-fur options. Totally necessary footwear for dealing with unbearably cold winters, right? But if the thigh highs are too extra for you, fear not. Scott also showed classic short pairs, worn by models donning neon wigs. The moon boots totally make sense considering the show's neon/sci-fi/outer space vibes. Gigi Hadid also walked the runway wearing a short pink wig, an exaggerated orange cat eye, and a metallic spacesuit-looking dress. Casual,